On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram confirmation code not receiving easy and fast. Hello guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easy and fast. First thing you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps right here, and then go to the apps here in the top, and now go to Instagram. Click on force stop and then go to the data usage and make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are turned on. Go back, click on force stop here and then go to the storage, click here on this clear data, and now that's it for today's video. All what you have to do is just restart your phone and the problem must be solved and the confirmation code is gonna be received now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.